Poor daddy. Poor daddy. Poor daddy.
Can you say I'm doing something important? Why are you just disturbing me?
I'm sorry, Prof Daddy. I don't say anything important here.
You don't say anything important. You can't see it now. You're a small girl. How can you see it? You can't understand it. It's a mystery.
I understand.
It's a secret. I can't tell you. If I tell you, you won't keep your mouth shut.
I won't tell anybody.
You that your mouth is always leaking. You're always pee. You promise?
Yes.
Anyway, I found out the secret to making money without doing any work.
Money?
Stressless money.
Wow.
Do you know this person? This is Mark Zuckerberg. Say Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Continue.
That's the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. He's one of the richest men in the world. Now, see this other person? This is Dangote. Say Dangote.
Dangote.
That's the richest man in Africa. Africa.
Continue.
See, the more I look at them, the more money enters my account.
Will you keep quiet?
Don't tell anybody.
So how did you know this?
I never spelled it.
You want to know who told me this again?
You think so they're wise?
I watched the video online. That was where I got the secrets. Let me play it for you.
Okay.
Joseph befriended wealthy prisoners.
Can you hear?
Befriend wealthy mentors. You may not like their nose, it doesn't matter. It's not nose you get to look at. It is what they are. You look like what you look at.
You look like what you look at.
You look like what you look at.
That is the secret. Secret to money. That is why I'm looking at Dangote and looking at Mark Zuckerberg.
You think so they're wise?
As I'm looking at them, money is entering my account. Very soon, my account will do back down.
Okay.
So that's why I'm looking.
Prof Daddy, is this the whole video?
Whole video? No. Who has time to be watching video of 1 hour? I just picked this particular parts. You know, this is the main thing. You look like what you look at. That's the cocoa of the whole thing now. So I didn't listen to everything. I just listened to that part alone. Immediately I heard that one like this. I said, nah.
What am I trying to say?
This is Rema.
Okay, continue to look. Go.
I should continue to look. Don't worry. When my money comes now, don't ask me for anything now. I won't buy biscuit for you.
Happy looking.
You have a text message.
That's my phone ringing. Go and pick it. I'm sure my $1 million alert are sent out. So read it slowly. Don't rush.
Will you keep quiet?
So it says your debt of 100,000 has been deducted from your account.
Sorry.
Your account balance
It's now what?
1,000 naira. Prof Daddy, don't worry. Your miracle money is on the way.
Most highly 2.5.
Let's keep on looking.
Tujuka o, baba lo tujuka o. Tujuka o, mama lo tujuka o. Yesu ni kin sọ fún ọ tujuka.
Stop.